Did you know there's a Bible story so disturbing that even thousands of years later, people still can't wrap their heads around it? So get this. Abraham is chilling when God drops the ultimate bombshell. Hey Abe, take your beloved son Isaac and sacrifice him on Mount Moriah. Can you imagine? The son God promised him in his old age. Now picture this awkward 3-day journey. Isaac's probably chatting away while Abraham's having the worst internal crisis ever. Then Isaac innocently asks, "Dad, where's the lamb for the sacrifice?" Abraham's heart is probably breaking as he says, "God will provide." When they get there, Isaac literally carries the wood for his own execution. Abraham builds the altar, ties up his confused son, raises the knife, and boom! An angel yells, "Stop!" A ram appears in the bushes like divine backup. Sure, Abraham passed the ultimate faith test, but imagine the therapy Isaac probably needed after this. Your own father nearly sacrificing you because a voice told him to. No wonder this story still makes people squirm today.